You can make a cinematic AI video for free right now, about 8 seconds long. No camera, no skills, no editing. That part of the viral tutorials? It's real. But here's the part they skip. Making the video was never the hard part, and it was never the paid part. So let's do the honest version, what's actually free, what the word unlimited is hiding, and then the only two ways this turns into money. One slow, one fast, with the real numbers for both. First, credit where it's due, the free part is genuinely real. In 2026, you really can generate a cinematic, realistic AI clip for $0. Google Flow runs the Veo 3.1 model for free, around 12 clips a day. Kling gives you about 66 free credits a day. Pika gives you 80 a month, with no watermark at all. You can make something that looks like a commercial without ever touching a camera. But let's talk about that word unlimited, because that's where these thumbnails start lying to you. 3 catches nobody puts on screen. 1. It is not unlimited. It's a daily or monthly credit quota. 2. Most free tiers stamp a watermark on your clip. Google's literally says, made with Veo. 3. The free clips are short and capped. Google's free Veo tops out at 720p and 8-second clips. So free is true. Unlimited is just marketing. Now here's the reveal that actually matters. The clip is not the business. Making it costs $0 and 8 seconds, which is exactly why it can't be where the money is. Think about it. If a total beginner can make it for free in 8 seconds, then the video itself is worth almost nothing. The money isn't in making the clip, it's downstream. And there are really only 2 honest doors to it. Door number 1, the faceless channel. You post AI clips as shorts, build an audience, and turn on ads. This is real people genuinely do it. But here's the honest bar. YouTube only pays you ads at 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours. Or 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And the trap nobody mentions. Views from the shorts feed don't even count toward those 4,000 hours. So this door is real, but it's months of consistent posting, not a weekend. Door number 2, sell the videos to a business. Local businesses need short video ads, and most of them have exactly none. The beginner rate is $50 to $150. Your cost with free AI? $5 to $25. That gap is the entire business. And unlike the channel, one client pays you this week, not in 6 months. No 1,000 subscriber wall, no algorithm lottery, no waiting. The free AI tool just did the most expensive part for you, the production, so you keep the margin. So here's the actual play. Use the free tools to make 3 sample ads for a kind of business you already understand: the gym you go to, the restaurant down the street, your barber. That's your demo reel, and it cost you $0. Then show it to 5 local businesses that have no video at all. Charge $50 to $150 for the first one. Do that 3 times, then raise your price. One trap to avoid: don't sell AI video. Nobody is buying the tool, they're buying more customers through the front door. Sell the outcome. More bookings, more calls, a business that looks real. Let the AI stay invisible. So go make the free clip tonight, it's worth learning. Just don't confuse the 8 seconds with the business. The video is free. Getting it in front of the right person is the whole job. If you want the honest version of this stuff, subscribe. Tech made simple, software made clear, no wasted money. See you in the next one.